the year 2021 and the first week of 22 as well has been a total roller coaster for crypto markets, right? On the show, we've discussed a couple of times how Bitcoin prices rose to a record high, and that was on the 10th of November last year. But do you know what was Bitcoin's record before the November blockbuster? Well, it was in October when it nearly hit about $67,000 mark for the first time then. And you know when that was and why that was? That was just after the debut of ProShares Bitcoin Strategy Exchange Traded Funds, better known as ETF, in the United States markets. So what is ETF that has got investors so gung-ho about Bitcoin and the crypto space altogether? Let's talk about that in today's explainer. For starters, exchange-traded funds or ETFs are essentially investment tools that track the performance of a particular asset or basket of assets. This allows you to diversify your investments without actually owning the assets, which is easier than buying or selling individual assets. For example, stock ETFs, which can comprise a basket of stocks to track that particular industry, or commodity ETFs, which do the same for, say, oil or gold. While most ETFs track an index, for example, Nifty Auto Index, cryptocurrency ETF tracks the price of one or more digital coins or tokens. Easy? You with me till now? Now, the reason these exchange-traded funds are important for the crypto world is that they provide a bridge between crypto and the markets. And like common stocks, their price keeps fluctuating. In fact, even crypto ETFs are traded in traditional exchanges and not just crypto exchanges. Get why I said it's a bridge between the two sort of worlds over there? So experts believe that this could minimize risk for investing in crypto, especially for those who don't really have knowledge on how to invest and keep track of crypto markets. And it's an exhausting process keeping tracks of crypto market, but they want to hop on to the bandwagon in some way. Now, the ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF, or BITO, was the first ETF in the United States to give investors exposure to Bitcoin future contracts. It went live in New York Stock Exchange on the 19th of October, spurring a bull run in the crypto market. And these contracts basically track and mirror the price of Bitcoin. So now you must be thinking, then why not directly invest in Bitcoin if this is going to mirror the trajectory of Bitcoin? Well, because in this ETF, you're betting not just on Bitcoin now, you're betting on the future of Bitcoin. This also means that you can short sell your Bitcoin ETF shares if you think that the price of the crypto will go down. So several crypto enthusiasts feel that ETF could be the gateway for more liquidity in the crypto market and a wider adoption of crypto as well. Right? Now remember, in India, there is a lot of regulatory uncertainty at the moment about crypto, especially for the use and form of investment. Yes, there is a tax, but regulation, what defines, etc., still unknown and doesn't seem like it's going to come anytime soon. So according to the latest reports, the Securities and Exchange Board of India has barred homegrown mutual fund players from making crypto-related investments until a clear law is in place. Now, while the market regulator has approved another blockchain ETF, the mutual fund company has said that it will not go ahead with this until there is a regulatory certainty on this. Of course, all eyes at the moment are on what government really allows in this space. Also, the big news at this point is that there might be a first in Asia ETF coming in very soon, and we'll tell you all details about that as well.